project today. I'm Rama and this is my friend
Hey.
Deniz. Today we're going to talk about the Girls First conferences that we have been organizing for 2 years and which is based on making women loud in every subject including science, engineering and technology.
So the Girls First conferences are actually events where we invite our precious women role models who've succeeded in life and actually ask them to prepare a speech for us, and they come and they give a speech about how they actually succeeded in a country where there's still misbalance between genders. So I think it's a great inspiration to hear these people fighting to get the respect they earn, and I think we should learn from that. So all in all, it's a great experience. It gives the students and the listeners a chance to know that they too can fight and win in a country where there's still gender misbalance.
Yeah, we basically want to remind our country's women that they're precious, intelligent and powerful.
Yes, so this is actually part of our Girls First Turkey campaign, where we aim for women and girls in general to be given better opportunities in our country.
Yeah, we actually wear pink hoodies in order to symbolize the power of women too. We want to spread this value all over Turkey and make women believe that they're strong enough to succeed all the things that actually men can do.
So that's about it for today. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.